Right, can you guess what we got in here? Let's open her up and have a look. Well, there we go. It's for the front of my transit van. Hopefully that's only the package in there, but that looks pretty scuffed to me. And on the edges. See? Look. And just here. And this is from vanstyle.w.vanstyle.co.uk. I've just phoned the seller, a very nice guy, and he said if I remove the wrapper from the bonnet protector, just to see if the scratches are right the way down into the material. So we'll take the wrap off. Yeah, some marks in there. I don't know if you can see them under the light. It's not until you see something like this and you realise that there's lots of specks in it. There we go. So let's see what comes in the kit. So we've got instructions. At least they got pictures to follow. So these stick to your van. Well, sticks to the back spoiler and then that goes onto your bonnet. And these basically clip on to under your bonnet. They've got some nice little soft bits so it's not damaging anything. And these are your little double-sided sticky bits to stick on here. And that's your little screws in the covers.